Alright, this is the detailed installation replacement video for an Acer 15.6-inch LCD screen on an Acer Chromebook. The first step you have to do is remove the outer shell cover that's covering the LCD screen. So if you have any type of pry tool, just slide this protective covering off. Just go around the edges, gently pushing the tabs out. Make sure the laptop is powered off before you start this. Once you get that off, just set that to the side. You will then notice you will want to have the screen tilted back while you're doing this. And what you'll do is you will take out the 4 mounting screws, which are located here, 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 and here. Being careful note not to get the main framing screws. So these black screws you'll leave alone. It's the silver screws that are holding the LCD screen in place. So you just use a small Phillips head screwdriver. Once you get the screws out, you'll just set them aside. Once you get those 4 screws, gently pull on the mounting brackets. Gently tilt that forward. And you'll see here the ribbon line right here. So there's this piece of adhesive. So you'll gently lift that up. Be careful not to get anything. Once you get that up, you'll see, and here's the connector pin. Just gently pull that out. There's your old screen. Set that aside. Then you'll get your new screen. Put that in place. And you'll gently go ahead gently secure that in place. You'll feel 2 clicks as the pins do go into place. And you read adhesive. And you gently lift that back up, making sure that you line up the mounting brackets. Then you go ahead and get your screws. Now during this process, because of the way these laptops are designed, you'll want to make sure that the power button's very sensitive, so you want to make sure you don't press any buttons. They have an automatic power on feature, so you want to make sure that during the process you don't hit any of the buttons, especially the power button. So once you get that back in place, get your screws. Once that's back in place, you can then lift up this screen protector. Get you your nice, pretty screen. Go back, get the framing. This just snaps right back into place. Just go around until you hear all the snaps in. And that's it. You're all set. Now you have your screen set up. And now you can turn the power on, and you're set. Thanks for watching. Again, this isn't for an Acer 15-inch Chromebook.